Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friend, first vacancy is from Projects and Development India Limited. The name of post is Senior Officer Finance and Accounts. It's a grade E1 vacancy. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 3 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th September 2024. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation, as you can see on your screen. So you can visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then visit PSU exam prep website. There we are offering video lecture course on reasoning subject for your PSU exam preparation. So check out that course also. Discount code and website link is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. And next vacancy is from Engineers India Limited. The name of post is Officer Finance. Qualification asked is graduation with either a CA, CMA. Here you need to have minimum 55% in your CA, CMA, then only eligible. Upper age limit is 28 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 60,000 to 1,80,000. Here your gross CTC will be 19.04 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 4th September 2024. Friends, next vacancy is again from Engineers India Limited. Here the name of post is Deputy General Manager Finance. Qualification asked is graduation with CA or a CMA. Here in your CA, CMA minimum is 50%, that is basic passing marks is required. Age limit is 47 years. Number of vacancies are 2. Place of posting is all over India. Hence it's a permanent vacancy. Here you need to have 19 years of experience. It's a senior post. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 1,20,000 to 2,80,000. Here your gross CTC will be 38.28 lakhs approx. Mode of application is online and last date is 4th September 2024. The next vacancy is from Indian Bank. Name of post is Local Bank Officer. Here the qualification asked is graduation, but you need to have a local regional language for the place you are applying for. Age limit is 30 years. There are 300 vacancy. Place of posting is in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 48,480 to 85,920. Mode of application is online and last date is 2nd September 2024. Friends, next vacancy is from Inland Waterways Authority of India. Name of post is Junior Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is BCom or a CA or CMA Inter. Age limit is 30 years. There are 5 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience only for BCom candidate. For CA, CMA Inter candidate, no experience asked. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 35,400 to 1,12,400. Mode of application is online and last date is 21st September 2024. The next vacancy is from India Optel Limited. The name of post is Deputy Project Manager Finance and Account. Qualification asked is graduation with CA Inter or CMA Inter. Upper age limit is 40 years. There are 8 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 1 year of experience. Here per month salary will be rupees 85,000 on consolidated basis. Mode of application is offline and last date is 7th September 2024. The next vacancy is from CSIR, National Institute of Oceanography. Name of post is Junior Secretariat Assistant Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is graduation with CA Inter or CMA Inter. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 3 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 19,900 to 63,200. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th September 2024. The next vacancy is from GAIL India Limited. Name of post is Junior Accountant. Qualification asked is intermediate or equivalent in CA, CMA or MCOM with minimum 60% marks. Here the 60% requirement is only for MCOM. Age limit is 28 years. There are 14 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 29,000 to 1,20,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 7th September 2024. And next vacancy is again from GAIL India Limited. Name of post is Accounts Assistant. Qualification asked is BCom with minimum 55% marks. Age limit is 26 years. There are 13 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 24,500 to 90,000. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is again from GAIL India. Here the name of post is Business Assistant. Here the qualification asked is BBA, BBS, BBM with minimum 55% marks. Upper age limit is 26 years. There are 65 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience. A per month pay scale will be in the range of 24,500 to 90,000. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last two vacancies. The next vacancy is from Indian Maritime University. Name of post is Assistant Finance. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks in commerce or mathematics or statistics. Upper age limit is 35 years. There are 12 vacancy. Place of posting will be in southern India. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Package will be 5.5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th August 2024. The next vacancy is again from Indian Maritime University. Name of post is Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Upper age limit is 35 years. There are 15 vacancy. Place of posting is in southern India. It's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Package and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology. The name of post is Accountant. Qualification asked is graduation in commerce or subordinate account services, exam cleared. Upper age limit is 32 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Noida. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 years of experience and 2 years of experience if you are applying based on SAS accountant. Package will be 9.3 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is offline and last date is 19th September 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.